Today, Momo is about to learn the most important rules that guide all robots. The Laws of Robotics. The laws of robotics are 3 simple rules that all robots must follow to keep humans safe, follow orders, and take care of themselves. These laws are designed to ensure robots always act ethically and responsibly, whether at work or at home. The first law tells robots they must never hurt a human. This law ensures that robots always prioritize human safety above everything else, automatically stopping their actions if a person is in danger, whether in a busy factory or a quiet home. The second law ensures robots listen to human instructions and carry out commands. However, this law also prevents robots from following any command that could cause harm, showing that obedience comes second to safety. Robots are designed to help with everyday tasks but know when to say no if a command is dangerous, and they prioritize safety when helping in emergencies. The third law reminds robots to protect themselves to keep functioning. Robots must ensure they stay operational to continue assisting humans. They might avoid hazards like water or extreme heat and take actions like recharging to prevent breakdowns. However, this self-preservation must never come before human safety. Following the laws is not always simple. Robots often face tough choices, like conflicting human commands, deciding how to help without causing harm, or choosing between protecting themselves and fulfilling a critical task. These challenges highlight the complexities of programming robots to act ethically in real-world situations. Today's robots and AI systems continue to adapt the laws of robotics to fit modern technology. From medical robots ensuring patient safety to self-driving cars that prioritize human life, these laws serve as a foundation for developing ethical and reliable robots. They are more than just old rules, they guide how robots interact with the world around them. As Momo heads home, he reflects on the importance of the laws of robotics. They are not just rules. They are essential guidelines that help robots like him keep people safe, follow instructions, and protect themselves. By understanding these laws, Momo knows he can be a better and more responsible robot.